We are headed to St. Kitts today. We couldn't get a flight out of our hometown airport, so we had to drive 3 hours to the Kansas City International Airport. So we had to get up at midnight last night, or this morning, however you want to look at it, to get here for our 5:30 a.m. flight. So we're here, we're groggy, but we're excited that we're on vacation. Woo. Well, it's been a moderately long day of traveling, even though it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but we have made it to St. Kitts and we're here in paradise. We're staying at the Marriott St. Kitts Beach Club, and it's really nice. My buddy JB gave us the hookup, so I'm going to give you the walkthrough of our villa that we're staying in. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has everything you can want in an apartment. It's got to be 12 or 1,300 square feet. This thing's huge. I'll just do a quick walkthrough of our room so you can see what it looks like. The St. Kitts Marriott Beach Club was really nice. We were there in the off season, so the resort was only about 20% full, so it was pretty quiet, and there was always room at the pool and plenty of chairs and everything. They have lots of outdoor games to play, and the staff was really nice and helpful. They provide entertainment by the pool every day, and there is a swim-up bar. This was our first day here on the island, and four-wheelers or ATVs are legal on the streets, so I decided to go for a run to see if I could find us one to rent for a few days. We're going to try to rent a four-wheeler to ride around the island for a few days just so we can go take a lap around the island and go hiking and stuff. I found the four-wheeler rental place, but it's down this little sketch alley, so hopefully I don't die when I hike back there to see if there's anybody home. I see monkeys down this alleyway. There's a monkey right in the trees. Try to get some better pictures of monkeys here in a little bit. Well, I found it, but contrary to what the website says, it doesn't look very open. And these guys, they might be friendly. We've been riding our four-wheeler around St. Kitts, looking for a beach so it wasn't covered in seaweed. So we went all the way down to the southern tip of the island, and we're on, it's called Cockle Beach, I think. And it seems like it's where all the locals go to hang out on the beach. There's some beach bars, but it is Sunday, so most of the bars aren't open yet. Maybe they will be here in a little while. It's only about noon right now. So we're gonna have some lunch, and Courtney's gonna hunt for seashells. After we were done at Cockleshell Beach, we headed back up the island and grabbed some lunch at the Shipwreck Beach Bar. Food was really good at Shipwreck Beach Bar, but the best part was it's located in South Friars Bay, and the beach there became our favorite beach on the island. We visited a lot of beaches on the island, but we returned to this one several times because every time we came back here, it was completely void of people. When we were the only ones on the beach, it was great to snorkel around, and we could lay out and get some sun. The sand on this beach was kind of black, which made it somewhat unique. If you're visiting St. Kitts, we would highly recommend you stop by the Shipwreck Beach Bar and check out the beach here. Pretty good.
Do it again?
This is the road that leads up to the trail to climb the volcano. Really pretty drive.
Early on in the week, we got up early and took a sunrise drive to the other side of the island. One of the main things that we were really wanting to do while we were on this vacation was hike the volcano. So we got up early to go hiking, and it was really great because we were the only people there whenever we got there that early. The hike was a little bit steep towards the end, but it definitely was absolutely beautiful. We had a ton of fun hiking, and we got to see a bunch of monkeys And of course, this will always hold a special place in our heart because this is actually where Ross proposed to me. And of course, I said yes. This is definitely a hike that we recommend. It is pretty steep towards the end, so we were pretty much having to climb up on our hands, but it was a lot of fun and for sure worth it.
We got up at 5 this morning to come take some photos on the beach for the sunrise. And it's awfully pretty. Taking the all-day snorkeling tour / booze cruise. We're on catamarans, probably only 20, maybe 25 people. So it's pretty nice that it's not super overcrowded. We have a beautiful day to be out here on the water.
Just walked out the door of our hotel. Look at this guy. He's huge. He's almost as long as my hand.
Good job, babe. We had a lot of fun in St. Kitts and Nevis. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Please like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the rest of our adventures.